Everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy WLFI coin, that is World Liberty Financial Token. So in order to buy it, you need to first of all come on dexscreener.com, and over here you need to select Solana network. Afterwards you need to simply search for WLFI, and once you are searching for it, you may find a bunch of different other coins with the same name, but you need to select the official one. So in order to find which one is official, you can click on their Twitter link, and if it is redirecting you on their official website with this blue tick, it simply means that it is official. Now over here you just have to simply click on the buy option, and you can directly purchase it over here. Or what you can do is you can just copy this address from here, then you can go in your Phantom wallet and here click on the swap option. After that, in the you receive section, you need to simply paste this address, and then once you are able to find it, you need to simply select it. Now you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase this token, and then you can click on the swap option in order to complete this particular transaction. Now, before concluding this video, I would like to mention that this video is for education purposes only, and this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own diligence before actually purchasing any of the crypto coins or any of the investments that you are doing. So if this video helped you out, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below. I'm here to help you out with that. I will see you in the next one.